Hi guys, it's C with Atlantic Knife, and we're going to be doing the review of the Civivi Wyvern. It's the latest offering from Civivi, which is a company made knives are made by We Knives. I use my Spyderco Tenacious with copper scales on it. I haven't finished this one yet. I haven't put my pocket clip on there. It's got titanium copper handles. Trying to figure out if I actually like it or not. So let's see what we got here. We got a Civivi carrying case, and inside we have talks about the Civivi brand, cleaning cloths, kind of typical. And over here we have another knife. Let's get that stuff out of the way. Start off by first impressions and a little bit of the specs. It's called the Wyvern. It is going to be 8 inches or 7.9 inches overall. The blade length is 3.5. Smooth opening. It has a D2 for the blade, so that's about 59 to maybe 60, 61 on the Rockwell scale. The grind on it is a hollow grind. The handle length is the same as this Tatera at 4.45 inches. It is a what do you call it? An FRN, so it's a fiberglass reinforced nylon handle. The liner material, can't really see it there, it's black, but it is also stainless steel. Try to give you a glimpse of it. Uses a stainless steel ball bearing in the pivot, and its screws are stainless steel, but its pocket clip is a 6AL4V titanium. So good luck. I don't think you could break that one. Maybe break it off, but overall it only weighs 3 ounces, which you can tell when you hold it. It's a very light knife. Get a nice grip on it. So we like the dragon scale pattern here in the knife, and the jimping on top. If you actually use the choil, you can get down on that pretty good, even from back here. For some people that don't like it, give it another flip. Very nice. But that's enough talking about the specs. Let's get to see how this thing actually does some cutting. We'll start off with some paracord here. Wow, that cut through it pretty smoothly. Once again, very clean cuts. I love using this stuff, even though I probably need to get me some more. A little piece of it here. I folded it over about 3 or 4 times. This is a craft material, like a toil or tool. I can't remember what they call it. I'm not a crafter, but it's always difficult to cut. You get caught in it. Went through that pretty easily. Made a nice mess. We'll get us some paper here if we can find some. Cut this one a few times. Clean that off. Went through pretty easily. Oops, missed that time. Probably need a better. There we go. Tore a little bit. Not too bad. So overall, this seems to be a nice knife. I don't know the price of this knife. I would say probably in the $50 range. I didn't look at it ahead of time, but you can always check it out at atlanticknife.com, and it'll be there for you. Just search Wyvern, W-Y-V-E-R-N. And if you guys on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. Watch our show once a week. It's normally comes out on Friday. It's a very hilarious show with a girl that works here named Jewel and me, and people on IGTV. You just need to subscribe. Make sure you follow at Atlantic Knife. We do giveaways pretty much every week, and we're also doing a giveaway right now for naming our show for those of you who watch on YouTube. So I am C, and I am signing off.